Loxton Lighting has been established in the UK for over 30 years and remains one of the largest suppliers of lighting to the trade and national multiples. Having developed many of their own ranges and designs with their own manufacturing facilities in China, they are well placed to source and supply any type of lighting. From chandeliers, pendants, Tiffany shades, metal shades and paper lanterns, the ranges are ever evolving to reflect current trends in the lighting market. From their UK warehouse, they can handle large multi-pallet consignments and mail order or direct-to-customer deliveries for web-based customers alike, and currently deliver across the EU. Changes in lighting styles and design have also been matched by developments in bulb technology. The three main types currently in the marketplace are incandescent, compact fluorescent and LED. Incandescent bulbs. Traditionally used throughout the industry, these bulbs are not very energy efficient, as the majority of energy used is converted to heat, not light. The bulbs themselves are hazardous if broken, and due to thermal extremes the filament goes through do not last long, typically in the range of 500 to 1000 hours. And due to heat given off, they're also not suitable for many applications or styles of lamp. CFL or compact fluorescent. With low energy consumption and an extended life up to 5000 hours, the CFL bulb was seen initially as a good alternative to the incandescent bulb. They are, however, not as compact as the name may suggest, so cannot be used in existing fittings, and their light is not directional, so are useless in any form of spotlight or downlighting. They do not reach peak brightness on switch on, taking a while to get to the maximum, so are not suitable where lights need to be switched on and off regularly. And the bulbs themselves are also extremely fragile and contain hazardous non-recyclable material. LED. The development of LEDs has come a long way since the red LEDs we're all used to seeing in electrical equipment. Continued research and manufacturing has led to bulbs of all shapes and sizes being produced. Their small size and long life, typically anything up to 50,000 hours, and durability means they can be used as direct replacements in many existing fittings, as candle bulbs, envelope bulbs, spotlights, downlighters, and with lenses as floodlights and ultra-sharp effect or spotlights. Converting most of the input power to light and very little to heat, they're a lot more efficient than some other types of lamp, and consequently over time cheaper to run. They're suitable for high duty cycle use, as in residential or commercial property, and prolonged use in commercial developments for outdoor or pathway floodlighting. The following tables demonstrate the differences between the bulb types, pros and cons for each, and related running costs. The energy savings shown are fairly conservative, as electricity usage and bulb usage is very hard to predict. The one thing we do know for certain is that the actual cost of energy itself is increasing year on year globally, so the biggest saving is to be had on the cost of the electricity. In comparison with the other two types of bulbs, LEDs use considerably less and therefore offer the greatest saving. Of particular interest for new builds, the low power features of LED lighting means on any given lighting circuit you can actually install more fixtures. This means you can be a lot more creative when designing lighting for the home and include things such as recessed lighting, accent lighting, stair lighting and uplighters. For commercial developers, the savings start on day one. Lower overall installation cost of power distribution, fittings and maintenance. The low power of LEDs means you can become even more creative with larger installations without the ongoing costs of traditional lighting. Suitable for all public spaces such as shops, offices, restaurants, shopping malls, their use is limited only by your imagination.